Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HASSAN. My mobile number is 057535. So today I will explain to you how to make a home page from HTML. So here this is our home page and this is our HTML. So the first thing first you must have three files. There is HTML for and this one is for image for your background, and this one is CSS for your uh, style web page. And today I will show you how to make a title image center, and paragraph. The first one, how to make an image. As you can see here, you must put a body, and then you must write nav and write image rc, and you can get the link from the page where you want. This is our link, and so and you also can adjust your width and height. Next one is image. Image is you can put a image. You can put a you can put a here, and image center you can background you can write like this. You write body background image, and you put your image link and background position center origin 0 padding 0 confirm your sensor, and they will appear like this. And the last one is paragraph element. Paragraph element is what I write here, user.com and so on. So is the last thing. Okay, we must have the section ID to make sure it's not to change with another web page. Actually, we have 4 web page in one website. You can see it, variable, estimate, and context. Okay, when you write, you must have the HID, and this one will make your words look bigger. Okay, that can make your words fonts, can change your fonts word. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. So
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad AIMMAN bin Saleh, matric number 058361, and I am from Diploma in Accountancy. Okay, for today I want to give some explanation about my assignment, which is we have to do some website made from HTML, and yeah, here we go. If you want me to use the Visual Studio Code, first thing you must type this. You open the bracket first, then this symbol, and you type type HTML, and then you must close the bracket. H1 is standing for heading 1, which is your title at the top. How to type this one? First thing you must to open the bracket and type H1, and then you close, and with this will appear. Then you just type your title here, like me, and type new arrivals. So as the result, you can see it. You open your website, and this will appear at the website. Photo, how to put some picture or photo in our website. Okay, I will teach you. First thing, you must open the bracket like as usual, and then you type image img src equal, and then you put the image address or link of your picture. You just paste here, you copy and then you paste here, and then you edit the white and height. If you want bigger, maybe you can add the height and white. For this one, I just put like this. You can edit here, and then size like this. Only simple like that. If you want add more picture, you have to put more link here. So you can see it. This is all the image, and then we move to accessory. How to do accessories like this and more. Just simple, same like this one, same like a new arrivals. We just put a heading 1, h1. You open the bracket, put h1, and then you close. You type accessories, and then you close the bracket. Accessories heading 1, and this will appear at your website. And then I want to put some information and or description about this our accessories. Just put p, open bracket, put p, and then close the bracket, and you put your description. Okay, next we go to the video. How to insert the video. I give an example here. It's the video here. Firstly, you open the bracket and type video control, and then you close the bracket. At the bottom, you open the bracket again. You type the source src equal, and then you insert the video that you save in your file or your folder. You insert and then you close, and then it will be appear at here. Yes, this is the video. Yeah, just simple like that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad AIMMAN HAKIM by AZHAR, and my matrix number is 057546. Okay, today my group will explain how to make a simple website using a Visual Studio Code. Okay, firstly is type type HTML. Type HTML is a type that document use. Okay, second is we make a title. Put a title. My title is custom made by Ruxo, and the link the link rel style sheet is style CSS. Okay. After we do this title and we make a style CSS, so we put our first class, div class is wrapper. After that, logo. Then our class logo is we put our company name is Ruxo. After that, we made a custom made means our menu that have in custom made website. First is embroidery, heat press, fabric guide, accessory, then that. Okay, after we put this menu, we go to style CSS, and we make a style for our website. first is decorate apa this. First is body. Body, we make a margin 0 pixel, padding is 0 pixels, and font family we use open sans and sans serif. Our wrapper part is with 1100 pixel, margin auto, position relative. So our wrapper and this will auto fit, and the position is relative. Logo, our logo font size is 50px, font weight 800, float, we float left, and font family we go as courier, and color black, blue black. Our logo will float left, and the menu will float right. Okay, we go to HTML. Then after we made the style CSS, we go to first step is our div class wrapper. It's called home section. In our home section, we put a picture that we take from a Google, so we put here, and then we make a column. First we make a column. First column, in the column is we type description. Description is title to the class wrapper. So we put a custom made guide. Secondly is the H2 is guide for custom made apparel, and P is in order for us to prepare a quotation for our clients. Information below are needed, so we put this. After we finish our section home, we move forward to section embroidery. So same as section home, we put the information in the coding, and it will show the words at the website. After we put all the section, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 section. After we done all section, put the words at the HTML section. So we go to style CSS to make the section looks nicely and proper. So our first is we do our section. Margin auto, display flags, margin bottom is 50 pixels. So our column will be margin top 60 pixels, margin bottom 60 pixels. Column description, we use font size 20 pixels, font weight bold, font family Comic Sans and Sun Comic Sans, and color we use dark color. For our H2 is our font family, we use same as column description, Comic Sans MS. Font weight 600, font size 45 pixels, margin bottom 45 pixels, color dark, width 100%, line height 60 pixels. Okay, and after that's all my explanation for our group coding. Thank you.
As for the fourth page, there will be another folder named Contact Us. The beginning of the code will be the same with previous folder, which has been explained by the previous members. To do the Contact Us form, we'll proceed to the section below. I'm going to start by putting in the form and field set tag. The field set tag is used to group the elements of the form as well as to draw lines around the related elements. Next, I'm going to open the legend tag to put contact details, which you can see there's a B for bold that is going to emphasize the words. By the way, the legend tag is meant to define the caption for field set elements. In this case, the caption is the bolded contact details word. Moving on to the next element, the P for paragraph. Down there, I'll be stating that for any inquiries, please drop your details in the form below, and closing the paragraph tag. Now, it's time to do the form that is going to include the email address and phone number. Starting by opening the label tag to specify the type of form element a label is bound to. So, we're going to write a label for our email address. Closing the tag and end it with BR tag, which indicates the line breaks. Setting the input type as text that defines a single line text input field. Set the ID and the name as email to specify the unique ID in the HTML. The same goes for the phone number. Starting with the label for phone number and setting the input type as text. Ending it with putting the ID and name below there. Last but not least, for the submit button, I'm going to put submit in the input type tag. Name it submit button. And putting on click in the command to make the button responsive. So, as soon as you click the submit button, a pop-up will appear, which I set by writing alert, and the pop-up message will be thank you for your response. Closing the field set and form tag as well as the section, body, and finally the HTML tag.